Alright there, soulmates, let's transform this plain top from ordinary into an extraordinary using an Ankara patches. This is a beautiful cutout from our Ankara, and also with our rayon stone already in our transfer sheet. So the first thing that I did is I was cutting out the edges of the design using my soldering iron. This is a soldering iron that has multiple mouths. You can see how neatly and gently I was doing it so that I can seal out the edges of it, because if I use scissors the edges will be fraying. So that's why I'm using soldering iron. It's best to use soldering iron, and here I've already cut it out. Look at how neatly and beautiful it comes out, and this is the wrong side. I'll be attaching it now directly to my fabric, and here I've already attached it to my fabric. Look at how neat it is, and I went ahead to attach my rayon stone. Hope you find these tips helpful. Are you going to be trying it out? Look at how beautiful it turns out. Thank you for watching. Bye.